Do you wonder what triggers customers to buy certain products and not others? We'd like to think it's the product itself, but there's a psychology to pricing and selling products. Let's talk about the psychology of pricing. One of the things that is a rather easy fix for pricing, but one we don't necessarily think about often, is the idea of giving customers choice. We don't want to give them too many choices. There's some great podcasts on this. Over at Radiolab, they've done some on how too many choices causes analysis paralysis for customers. But here's a simple rule that will work for you on a regular basis. Offer 3 different options where the middle one is the one you want to sell. So this is how this works. Customers look at 2 choices and they see one and they see another one's a little bit more expensive, or maybe a lot more expensive. And that's actually the better choice, but it's more expensive. And so they won't buy that one. In fact, I worked with a business here in Williamsport, Pennsylvania, where they were selling hair extensions, and they had a high quality hair extension and a not high quality hair extension. And she never could sell that better product. Well, we talked about this rule of 3, the psychology of pricing, where if you have a highest, a middle, and a lowest price point, customers will almost always go for the middle price point. So she actually got an even higher quality product. She brought that in. And then the one she wanted to sell and hadn't been able to started flying off the shelves. It was a very interesting conversation because we just thought we'd try it. I suggested it. She says, oh, what could happen? And I'll be darned, she was just shocked, very much smiling ear to ear when she shared this with me. These items were flying off the shelf. We've seen this elsewhere. For instance, when Apple first came out with the Apple Watch, they had a low-end entry Apple Watch. They had the one they wanted to sell you with all the bells and whistles and the features. And then they had a very high-priced, I think it was gold or ruby or some fancy-ended watch, Apple Watch. Well, guess what? They knew the rule of 3. They knew the psychology of pricing with 3 options. So it's real simple for you. This quick how-to video goes like this. If you have something you want to sell and you have different quality points, price points, focus the one you want to sell, put that in the middle price point. That's the one customers are going to be drawn to. Let me know if this works for you. If you try it, if you already do it, shoot me a note. Let me know how it works. Let me know there's instances where it didn't work for you. We would love to hear those stories as well and maybe include you in our next video. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit that like button, and hit the bell so you know next time we post a video like this for you.